3 men were fatally shot during an alleged police confrontation along the Mandela Highway in St. Catherine on Wednesday morning.
According to the police, 2 firearms were seized. The deadly shooting caused a traffic gridlock for nearly 5 hours Wednesday as detectives processed the scene.
Our reporter Kimberly Petty has the details.
This is the car that the police were searching for. They say their intelligence indicated the vehicle was used as a getaway in multiple robberies in and around the corporate area. The lawmen later got intelligence that the car was spotted along the Mandela Highway, and that is what led to an alleged gun battle between the occupants of the Honda Fit and operatives from CTOC. According to the police, reports are that officers attached to the Counterterrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch, CTOC, signaled the driver to stop. However, the police said the driver disobeyed their orders. The vehicle was subsequently intercepted, during which men reportedly opened gunfire on the police team. The police said they returned the gunfire. 3 men were later found with gunshot wounds. The 3 unidentified men were transported to the Spanish Town Hospital, where they were pronounced dead sometime after noon on Wednesday. Police believe one of the deceased is a man identified so far only by his alias Smeagol, who was being hunted in connection with the murder of a police corporal as well as a teenage girl, both in Kingston. 2 illegal firearms were reportedly seized on the scene: a Taurus 9mm pistol and a Beretta 9mm pistol, both loaded with magazines and chambers. Indicom is investigating the matter. Indicom, in the meantime, again pointed to the number of fatal shootings involving the police thus far this year.
In addressing or responding to data concerning fatal shootings involving the security forces, invariably, the absence of body-worn cameras in planned police operations becomes a point for analysis. In 2025, as of July 31, deaths during police planned operations accounted for 51% of all fatal incidents involving the security forces. For this reason, the distribution of body-worn cameras to law enforcement personnel engaged in planned operations seems an obvious and urgent necessity.
Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.